So I just dragged my old Super Chicken, Spine Crusher, Sport Cruiser, whatever you want to call the old Kawasaki side-by-side jet ski. She's had some battle wounds, couple. It's just a cheap beater ski, nothing crazy. It's got a stock 650 into it. Just dragged it out from the weeds, and I'm gonna throw a battery into it and get her fired up for the season. Now that I got the battery just tossed in there, that's just a lithium battery I use on a regular basis. I'm gonna pull the airbox lid off so I can get to the carburetor, because as it's been sitting, I'm gonna need to toss gas down there. The other thing I do is make sure the throttle's not sticking, which clearly it is, which sucks. And make sure the choke butterfly is working. That way if I need to shut it down, I can always use the choke. I'm using the throttle on the carburetor and that's not stiff, so clearly it's the cable. And I've had issues with that in the past. It needs a new cable, but unfortunately these old girls, they're not available anymore. So I'm going to reset the throttle and pour a little gas down the carburetor and see if she fires up. Okay, now that I've mixed up a little gas because I didn't have any 2-cycle, like I said, you just take the can, pour some right down the mouth of that there carburetor. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. And I also like to leave that air box off in case things run away. I can manually choke it. Good sign. I'm gonna have to put this down so I can manually run the throttle. Yeah, surprisingly it fired right up. It's been sitting for a couple years. I don't even know how much gas is in it. It's pretty smoky. The last time I ran it, when I winterized it, I really put the oil to it because I didn't know when the next time I was going to be riding it. Yeah, button the airbox back up, get the right battery for it, and put some fresh fuel in it. And I got to fix the throttle cable though. I may make a video on it, I may not. We'll see on how ambitious I feel. So, till the next one, guys.
Yeah.